Hey guys, good morning. I'm gonna cook salmon today. I'm gonna fry with butter and garlic. I squeeze a little lemon. Here's my salmon. I'll fry first the garlic before I cook the butter and the garlic. Before I put the salmon. And I need to put a little pink salt and a little black pepper. Little black pepper only. They don't like the too much pepper, especially the kids, because it's spicy. Only little pepper. This is my menu for today. Fried salmon, fried with garlic. I'm gonna fry it with the garlic. My pink salt. It's my pink salt. It's my the pink salt and garlic. Here's my salmon. Only pink salt, a little pepper,